Alright guys, so welcome back. Today we are doing some painting guys. So we have mackerel and sardine out here. Sardine by my name, we call them so. But this is mackerel, original mackerel. You know for tin mackerel or pound mackerel. Me giving them sardine. But anyway guys, we are out here, we are painting. Mackerel is one of the best painters here in St. Elizabeth guys. So mackerel is doing a good work for me and sardine. So we're gonna show you what they're about doing right now. Alright guys, so stick around.
Hi.
So this is mackerel. Let me zoom up mackerel here so we can see mackerel guys. This is the original mackerel. Alright?
The big jack one, the big jack one.
The big jack. The big jack mackerel be. Alright guys, so listen, we're gonna hear from mackerel himself. And guess what guys? He's the best painter ever guys. Like no joke about this, right? No joke. So he's doing some good paint job here. They're painting the entire house. So it's a lot of work to do. As you can see, they're painting this section. And there's other section we're gonna be showing that to you guys. Alright? So we're gonna leave mackerel and sardine to go and do their work. Alright? No joke.
And the job.
Right. Alright, TJ, take your time. TJ out there. Ooh, a little painter. TJ said no joke. And the beautiful beach around there, some man. Nice view, you know.
There's no more brushes, son.
We got a beach later.
Mom, is there any more brushes?
No, no more brushes. Little boys, them want to brush.
Too tiny.
Oh, Lord. All right.
Can I try with that brush?
boat that use gas and oil? In bigger? Use gas and oil? The machine use gas and oil. Okay. Oh, cut it from the root, bigger. Bigger. Cut it from the root. Cut it from here, so. Cut it out. Yeah, man, cut it from the root. Trim up the tree nice and pretty. I don't know what's the name of this tree. Looks like a pine tree, but I don't know if it's a pine tree or sycamore tree or something. It looks more to me like a sycamore tree. I don't know. But it looks really nice, trimming off all these dry leaves and yeah, so you have all these branches in the bottom. Wood section and then all the green section. And you know, this is really nice for cool shade. Yeah. Let's put out some nice bench underneath. Yeah, I can look at this shade. Look right here, so look on the shade right there. Really nice. And we have some lovely coconut all over. So you down here now, you're relaxing at the yard. And you pick coconut. Yes, Hikla. They're on the hard work, eh? And you're on camera. Say hi to the people, then. Show them how handsome you are doing hard work. This is Hikla, guys. The greatest man live around here. Right, Hikla? What me? Your what? Apply road. Come here, come. Get it. Come here, come on, come, can you still have to push off? Just come with the water, follow the water. Go, sir. Just go with it. Yeah. Yeah.
One if you're in that day.
One more.
That's what we used to do.
What?
1 inch up more.
Mm.
That's what we used to do. You can't fling.
1 inch more up.
You can't fling. That's a 1 inch up, brother. When I say 1 inch up, hey, the mango that's sweet. I want sweet mango, you know. Something licky. Oh, it's an easy out.
What is that?
There.
Oh,
Eat you out.
I mean, I'm looking at you in that again.
That's sweet, enough. That's the sweetest mango for you. Alright guys, so if you never know how to eat mango, I'm going to teach you how to eat mango. Only in Jamaica, guys. Mango sweet, juicy. So you eat mango. Yeah? Why the mango is sweet? Sweet bad. Anyway, I'm gonna leave some food. I have one whole bag of mango food, guys. Woo! Mango is sweet bad. Sweet? You wanna call this mango? Come on, mango. We have a lot of this in Jamaica. I don't think I know the real name, but they call them common mango. Maybe I chew them too much. And so, come on. That's mango tweet. The tweets are still. Mango nice. Mango nice, guys. You can't stop eating this mango till you see the white pan, you know. You have to white, but I'm going to eat this more. Nice. Guys, I don't know what's wrong, but you know what, mango love from Jamaica. You get nice sweet mango. Mango is too sweet, can't stop eating. What is that, Sasha? Mango sweet, girl. That's some mango for eat. Some mango for eat, guys. So come on. Alright guys, be gone sooner or later, alright? Bye bye. Guys, what's up, Wagwan? What's going on? Alright guys, so as you can see behind me, the house is now white. We're painting the house white, guys. So we have the workmen. They are painting the house. They are not done yet. This is just the front, but look how nice it is, guys. Can you imagine? So I'm gonna put the entire house in white. White, guys. So what do you guys think? Think the white fit it? I think it fit it, guys. And I know it's gonna look good on the hill here. Right? So let me go up here. Alright guys, so we're walking up the house. So it's gonna be white house on the hill. Most of the alright, so see it there, guys. This is the first coat. They call this prime. So they prime in it and then they're gonna do a second coat. And the second coat would have that sheen in it. Alright, so then done from the corner, clean up. Mr. Saman with him drill. Everybody know Mr. Saman is a man of few words already, so so they start on this side as well. Alright. So that was the color that it was in. Everything. So this is the first coat that they're giving. Look at the beautiful ocean from here, guys. Let me just zoom up the camera a little bit. They paint over here too. So that's the beautiful ocean right here, guys. So okay. Yes, guys, so they're painting up the whole place. Alright, so it's gonna be white. Entire white, guys. It's gonna be all white. Alright, guys. That's a guan, what a guan. Let's take in a view of the ocean. See the ocean right there? And that's a pond right there in the middle, right this, guys. Right this one, yeah. Right there is a pond. Big, great pond.
Where's the pond?
Zoom it up some more. See the pond right there. And the
Right
ocean
there?
behind. Yeah.
Right there?
And that peak is Great Bay Bluff. Right there, guys. That's where I go to beach. Right there. That's my beach. Yes, guys. So all of there. Flagaman, Newell, Watchwell. Straight into Black River, guys. Beautiful view. Alright, Jaden, let's go. See Jaden come and find two puppy. You give them name, Jaden? What the name for them? You don't get no name for him yet. Give name Lasco. So them food, them have food to eat. Jaden, give them food, guys. Come, baby. Come, Jaden. Where did you go? Come. Come on, baby. Oh, go on, you good? Alright. Come, baby. Come. Him and him dog them. Alright, Denton, you're still up on the work, huh? Denton and the hard work, guys. And great man, he glad about ya. We got to tell the people them say. I think you say, yeah, I don't know. They might hear you. They might hear for themselves. Oh, a hot girl stash over this up on phone. So she not chat to nobody right now. Alright, guys. Guys, welcome back. So, Denton, he is now planting a cherry tree for me, guys. So, by this cherry tree here. Come here, Sasha. Up in it. Sasha don't want to show herself, so we not show Sasha. Right, Sasha? You don't want nobody see her. You don't want nobody see her. But anyway, guys, this is the cherry tree, the cherry plant. So we're gonna plant it. It's small. It was gifted to my husband, so we're gonna plant it, guys, and I hope it will bear. So we want to bless those persons who give my husband this cherry tree in Santa Cruz yesterday. Big up yourself, and I hope this will catch and that we can give you back cherries when they start bearing. So you're gonna pour some water in it first, Denton. So, all right, that's good, Papa.
Take
it out of the bag. Cut this side.
Yeah, that bag.
Cut out the bag. Cut this side. Hold this, Sasha. Hold this, right? Show to them. We have to go use something to hold it. Yeah, put the dirt to put on one side so you go make it bend.
Yeah, but
The tree I go bend it. Shut up your mouth.
Listen, man.
What?
You just make it.
No, sir. Don't press it.
You know, I press one.
No, when you press it, you kill it.
No. I remember I plan to make all kinds of things.
Well, when you do that, you kill the process of growing. You leave air around it, sir. Listen to me. Stick to the plastic.
I mean, it's my yard.
Never use press the dirt down with
Just
your
drop
plant.
just drop it there
Drop
around you,
it
make it
in.
protect if you know.
And you leave it.
Just drop it around you, make it protect it.
Then you should burn.
Oh yeah, sure.
You need to put something around it. Alright, give me some water. Come. Well,
Stop it now.
that's all. See cane. Cane is right here, so then I'm gonna cut piece of cane. Hold on the guys, this is nice. Put cane. See here. The one here we want. Pretty cane. That one. That one me show you. Cut it from the back of it. A TV they look like you want 10 man to lift you up. Heavy like a lid. You heavy man? And can I go up with him bag and pan? Are you a bag and pan, Denton? Yeah, I'm a bag and pan. One whole heap of bag and pan. Could I put some of the bag in front of the TV? I'm turn around this so got him bag and pan. Alright, then put that around there, run you, run you. Around you. Now we just got that back there. I'm running for the yard. And pack you up with scandal back then, Tan. My God. Why you manage the iron board? The iron board can push behind the seat them. And so, eh? Put that in your hand.
Yeah, I'm putting it in there.
They run out then, Tan, man. Put on him here till tomorrow. Alright then. Where you run go, Jaden? You can go. Come. Eh? Boss Travis, them are wave to you. Go on, we do no good. Alright. Then, see you tomorrow. Yes. Over the Saline. Alright, tomorrow. The TV, bring down the car. Okay, TV heavy. Heavy like a lid. Alright, sir. Denton gone. We're gonna lock in back. Your dad carry him gone. Here we have sardine. Mr. Sardine, turn around, make them see you. Big up everybody. Let me zoom up sardine. So that's Mr. Salmon up in the hill. He's checking on the drum. Guys, we have to buy water. So see the water truck right there. So they have to put the water. They full that as well? Nice. So they full that first? So that one full too? The tank.